YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? It's your main man TC the Barber reporting to you live. Long time no here, back with another haircut tutorial. As you can see in the title, I'm doing a mid skin fade. So let's talk about this. Let's jump right into it. As you can see, with the lever all the way closed on my Walls Magic clip, I'm gonna be setting in my first ball line midway around the entire head. Now I'm gonna follow up with the Babyliss silver trimmers just to get that bottom of the fade extra ball. Alright, so now I'm coming in with the lever all the way open on the Walls Magic clip, and I'm gonna be going up about a half an inch, setting in my first guideline. So I know y'all see me working very neatly, setting that guideline around the head. Yeah, that's what you want to do. So I put a line in, now it's time to take the line out. So as y'all can see, I closed that lever up all the way, and I'm going to go ahead and start knocking the ball line out. I'm going to open the lever halfway and finish what I started and continue to knock that line out. Now coming around the back, all I'm doing is just repeating the same steps, starting with the lever all the way closed. And as you can see, I just opened the lever up halfway. And notice as I go up to that very dark line up there, I'm not gonna go past that, but what I'm doing, using my wrist to flick out before I get to that line, that'll create that bottom blend to knock that line out, knock the ball line out at the bottom. Now coming over to his right, I'm just gonna let y'all watch this because I'm just repeating the same steps. Just keep up with me. Jumping in with the one guard with the lever all the way open, I'm gonna go ahead and set in my second guideline. Alright, now, so with the half guard with the lever open halfway, I'm going to go ahead and start knocking out the first guideline that I created. Now, let me tell y'all this. I normally start off the lever all the way closed, and then I open the lever up halfway as I continue to go up and knock that line out. But this time, I started with the lever open halfway, and then I'm going to close the lever to continue to knock this line out. Coming back in right here, I did close my lever all the way. I didn't have my hands in the camera when I adjusted my a lever. So open it back up halfway as I go up and I flick out. And as you can see, as I get close to that line, I flick out. So all in that wrist action, man. Wrist action is the key to blending those lines and knocking them lines out and bringing the fade together. Now I'm coming around the back side. I'm just repeating the same steps. I started with the lever halfway open, and I'm going in between halfway open and close in order to blend this line. Coming around to the left side, which is his right, just repeating the same steps. So once you get your system, man, and it works for you, stick with it. And if you're feeling froggy, leap. I guess what I'm trying to say, if you want to challenge yourself to try something different, you can do that. And I know y'all noticed me jumping around to the back side, just doing some detailing work, going back to clean up some areas that needed to be touched up before I move on to my next step, that's all. Alright, now this next step with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, I'm going to be taking this all the way up, right off the parietal ridge of the head, straight up and flicking out. Alright, now I'm coming in with the 1 guard. We're going to go ahead and start knocking that second guideline out. I forgot to mention, the 1 guard is all the way open to start with. So right here, I did close that lever quickly. I don't know if you guys seen it, but the lever is closed right now. So working its fade right now, I'm going in between close and halfway open. Man, I know y'all see me killing this fade. Look at that wrist action. Come on, man. You can't tell me I'm not. I ain't gonna stop until this fade is gorgeous. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I think y'all already know what I'm gonna say. Right now, I'm just repeating the same steps. Coming back around just to do some detail work. See, this right here separates you from most barbers. Just being able to do that detail work to make sure everything is clear. Right now, clip over comb, coming off the shape of the head and just cutting the hair that I see through the comb. Yeah, me. So I brought the 1.5 guard back out to do some what? Detail work. Yes, the word of the video today is detail work. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure this fade is definitely clean. Now, right now, I'm just saturating the hair. Why did I say that? I'm going to just say wetting the hair. I'm trying to be all fancy in the video. So just wetting the hair down, combing it over. And then I'm going to come back and take about an inch off. Now I'm going to blow dry the hair and style it the way that I want it to go. And then we're going to come back with some Elegance holding spray. Enunciation. And I'm tied all together. Now, every barber knows the most important part of the haircut is the edge up. So we gonna go ahead and finesse this hairline and make sure it's nice and crispy. And then we're gonna hit them with a hard part to finish the cut off. Just watch. Alright YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Also, the notification bell will let you know when I'm dropping my next video. And thank you guys for supporting and watching. TC the Barber, I'm out. Peace.